Hello and welcome to Learn English with Blaine. So today's video is going to be a short video and we're going to talk about the simple present and how it can be used to talk about future actions. Now we are used to using the simple present to talk about future actions when we are using going to. For example, I'm going to visit you tomorrow. I am, of course, is the simple present with going to, and this is a very common way that we can use it. Another common way using simple present is when we use will. For example, I will see you at 8 o'clock. In this case, we are seeing the simple present form of will. I will see you at 8 o'clock to talk about a future action. But the simple present can be used to talk about future actions when we know about the future. So in these cases, we are using the simple present not with will or going to, but in other examples. So for example, let's listen to this short conversation.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I have to clean my room in the morning, and then I have a piano lesson at 3 p.m.
Okay, so in this conversation, we hear Alejandro using the simple present to talk about a future action. One of those, for example, is to talk about the fact that he has to clean his room in the morning. And in that case, we are using the simple present have to talk about an obligation. So we might be able to say, I have to clean my room, I have to go shopping, I have to visit my friend. These are all different ways that we can use I have to using simple present to talk about a future action. In the second example here, he says, I have a piano lesson at 3 p.m. So in this situation, he's talking about an appointment. Okay, now let's listen to another example.
Hey, we better hurry.
Why?
Our bus leaves in 10 minutes.
So in this situation, we are talking about public transportation, which is in this situation is a bus. And it says our bus leaves in 10 minutes. So this is another situation where we can use the simple present to talk about a future action. In this example, we're talking about public transportation that's going to leave soon. So just to recap, we can use the simple present to talk about appointments that are in the near future. I have a hair appointment tomorrow. But we can also use it to talk about public transportation that will be leaving in the near future. For example, our plane leaves in 20 minutes. Or we can say our taxi leaves very soon. Or we can say our train leaves tomorrow at 8 a.m. So whether you are talking about a train, a taxi, or a plane, when you are talking about those modes of transportation leaving soon, we can also use the simple present. So I hope that that helps you and gives a good indication of how we can use another case where we can use the simple present to talk about future actions. So if you have any questions, you can leave those in the comment box below and I'll respond to you. Or contact me at learnenglishwithblaine@gmail.com and I'll be happy to help you. Also, if you need an English teacher, contact me there as well. So thank you so much and have a